Hi, this is Chris Chisholm, Service Quality Specialist with Houston Methodist Hospital System. Today I'm going to talk to you about using LMS to record passing or failing of skills labs and to reassign staff members to those skills labs. So let's go ahead and take a look at our screen here. You're probably very familiar with this screen. It is our scheduled offering. Now, normally for our scheduled offering, this area down here would show our enrolled team members if you had anyone who previously enrolled. Today we do not, because this is just an example, okay? But let's say we wanted to add users. There's a couple of ways you can do that. First and foremost, just come to this button where it says add users, click on that and it'll give you the opportunity to add some folks. But let's say we're ready to record learning. We're gonna come over here to the right and we're gonna scroll through, okay? And we're gonna find where it says record learning, okay? Now, one of the things that I highly recommend that you do is when you are using my rounding, make sure where you put in your staff member's name that you also include their employee number. That's going to make your life a lot easier. You can just come over here, copy and paste it, and then use that to help record the learning. Okay. However, if you don't have that information, you can always still type in their last name and find them that way. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the employee number, okay? And then we can do an add. If you didn't have that information, you could click this button right here and it'd pull up a screen where you can add by last name or even first name, okay? But we're going to go ahead and add, all right? And we can see that it found me and it added me right here, okay? Now I will tell you, if you were to put a space before or after that number, that would count as an actual character and it would not add. So make sure that when you enter that employee number, that it's just the number itself, no spaces before or after or additional numbers, or it will not find the employee. Okay? We're going to click where it says next. That's going to bring us to this screen. Now you can apply a default status. For example, if you felt like just about everybody on that list was going to go ahead and get credit, they completed the course for credit, you can hit complete course for credit. Okay? And then come down to the individuals and then change as needed. Today we're going to put course not completed successfully, not for credit. So we're going to go ahead and click that and that's going to be my status. Okay. By the way, I did not fail skills lab, just for the record. We're going to go ahead and come up here where it says next because we've got our information correct in here. However, don't worry, if you think you may have put the wrong information, you can always hit the previous button. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're not even going to worry about this. We're going to go ahead and click next. Again, once again, we're just going to go ahead and hit finish. Okay. It may take a few seconds, but that's okay. So it's going to finish and the event has been successfully recorded. Oftentimes it will give you the option to go ahead and email the supervisors, those who have completed the course. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and close that. Boom. All right. So now let's say that we want to go ahead and add me back to a skills lab. There's a couple of ways we can do that. We're going to start here at the home screen just to show you a couple of the ways. Down here at the bottom it's going to have quick links, okay? And if you look under the quick links, you can scroll on down. There's this tab that says User Needs Management. You can click that, or you can just come up here to where it says Users, okay, and click that. Either way, it's going to take you to the same screen, okay? We're going to come on down to Tools. Okay, and we're going to go to User Needs Management. All right, so what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to add items. We're going to add items. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click next. Okay, it's going to ask who the employee is. We know it's going to be me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and paste in my employee number, which you should have saved through my rounding. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and hit add. And if we look, there I am. It has added me. All right. So we're going to go ahead and hit next. Okay. It's going to ask us the type. We're just going to put that this is a course. All right. And our ID number is our typical skills labs. 244001. Okay. And it's going to pull it up and we can scroll on down and there you go. It says add. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to hit next. Okay. All right. So it's going to show that we're adding skills labs for me. It's going to hit next. Okay. Required date. So we want to make sure that I get these done by, let's say, 90 days out. So we'll just say, what, January. 01, we can actually do it as a calendar. We'll say January 19th. So we'll go ahead and move forward. November, December, January 19th. Okay? And that's my last day to get these done. Okay? Once we've done that, we'll hit schedule job. Okay? We're going to come on down. All right. And we're just going to hit finish. All right. And it is finished. So it should then assign that to me. So let's go ahead and go back to our Mars page. All right. And we're going to come back to see if we've got that on My Learning. LMS Success Factors. And you can see right here at the top, by January of 2019, I need to register for Skills Labs. Okay, so I will go ahead and take that and get that completed. All right. I want to thank you for tuning in, and please let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or you can post your question below. Thank you very much.